What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Upper Left RC. Today we're going to be taking a look at the red Deadbolt. Now I put the Scx24 Power Wagon tractor tires on this thing because I like the red with the red. I've also got the spare tire just kind of wedged back here as a spare tire in the rack. It stays there okay, but not great. Anyways, we're going to take this thing outside, run it on a tiny little obstacle course I set up, and just kind of see how it does. I've got a lot of different builds and a lot of different stages, and I wanted to spotlight all my trucks and give them a fair video. I haven't filmed some of them in a while, so for the next 2 weeks-ish, that's what we're going to do each day. We're going to spotlight one of the trucks. Today we're starting with the Deadbolt. So let's get this thing powered up, get it outside, see what it can do. All right, so this is the little course I got set up. I'm going to be running all the trucks on it. It's not too terribly difficult, but should be a lot of fun. Just seeing which trucks can make it and which ones can't. First, we're running the Deadbolt. Man down. Bad driving on my part, but that's gonna happen. Alright. Oh, I don't know if it's gonna make this. Oh, we shed some weight. That should help. I think it's gonna need a helping hand up this. Start it right there. Lost the spare again. It's all right. There we go. A little wheel speed. And across the line. There we go. Well, guys, that's the Deadbolt. It's a pretty nice little truck. These tires are actually pretty capable for what I thought they were. It works well, mostly stock, a little bit of weight here and there, and some upgraded shocks, but other than that, we're good to go. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.